Do you still work in Campaign Manager to do your bid adjustments? Occasionally, yes. And it really depends on how big your account is. For accounts that have less than 5 campaigns active and maybe only a handful of keywords, and maybe they are only running sponsored product ads, we could use the targeting tab to analyze and understand which campaigns are spending too much, which are the campaigns that are spending too less, which are the campaigns that are spending exactly as we expected. So for those type of things, Campaign Manager would be a good way to check. You can also optimize using tools. Now we use a lot of in-house tools. We just made them and they work perfectly. So we're not using external tools. If you need, you can use external tools. What I would highly suggest is, especially if you're new to Amazon and learning Amazon PPC, I would not use any external tools because I want to first understand what are the key components within your ad campaign, so you understand which are the most important metrics you should be tracking when you're creating ads. First thing is going to be spend and sales, right? So spend and sales is already in the ad console. CPC, again, it's in the ad console. Bids are in the ad console. Top performing keywords is in the ad console. Poorly performing keywords are in the ad console. The next layer is going to be the search term reports, downloading them, understanding which search terms are working well for you. For that, again, I just created a very thorough video on how we would use search term reports and pivot tables to find out all things. For pivot tables, I'm coming from a very creative industry that has nothing to do with spreadsheets, which is the music industry. So if I can learn and replicate that process so this, you can do it as well. With pivot tables, you're just going to add some additional data that's going to summarize whatever is within the account. So I would not recommend right away going into tools. Learn what is in the ad console. Once you understand that, you can decide if you want to start using tools for any optimization.